The S-70 Okhotnik-B is a stealthy, heavy unmanned combat aerial vehicle with a flying wing design. The drone is approximately the size of a small fighter jet, with a wingspan of around 65 feet and a length of 40 feet. It has a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 20 tons and is powered by a single turbojet engine. The S-70 Okhotnik-B is capable of carrying a variety of weapons, including air-to-surface missiles and guided bombs. The drone is also equipped with advanced sensors and avionics, including a radar system, electro-optical sensors, and a data link for remote control. The drone's main mission is to provide support to manned fighter aircraft in combat operations, either by acting as a decoy to draw enemy fire or by engaging targets independently. The S-70 Okhotnik-B is designed to operate in a variety of environments and conditions, including day or night, in all weather conditions, and in contested airspace. The S-70 Okhotnik-B is capable of autonomous flight, with a range of up to 3,500 kilometers or 2,175 miles and a maximum altitude of approximately 14,000 meters or 46,000 feet. The drone can be remotely controlled by a ground-based operator, with the ability to receive and transmit real-time video, telemetry, and other data. In addition to its combat capabilities, the S-70 Okhotnik-B has also been designed to perform reconnaissance and surveillance missions. The drone's advanced sensors and data link allow it to provide real-time intelligence to ground-based commanders. Overall, the S-70 Okhotnik-B is an advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicle with a range of capabilities that make it a valuable asset in modern combat operations. Its stealthy design, advanced sensors and avionics, and autonomous flight capabilities make it a formidable opponent in the skies, capable of operating independently or in support of manned fighter aircraft. The Su-57 stealth fighter jets will have the capability to control up to 4 unmanned combat aerial vehicles. Su-57 will have the control over these drones for a distance up to 1,500 kilometers. According to Rostec, it is developing a new communication system for the Su-57, which is based on artificial intelligence. This will enable communication between various participants of the battle group. The Su-57's new AI communication system will enable compatibility with ground platforms and headquarters communication systems. The communication between Su-57 and S-70 will take place at very high frequencies, and the artificial intelligence will code the data between the fighters and drones or wingmen. The combined flight of Su-57 and S-70 had already taken place in October 2019, and as per Russian claim, the Su-57 was successful in commanding the S-70. During this time, there were information that in future the Su-57 could possibly control 2 or 4 drones as per requirements. If this capability is proven and time-tested, then this will allow the S-70 to penetrate deep into enemy areas shielded by air defenses and fighter jets, while the Su-57 would stay in safe zone away from conflict site or danger zone. The deployment of the S-70 Okhotnik-B unmanned combat aerial vehicle alongside the Su-57 Felon fighter jet represents a significant development in modern warfare. With the ability to operate at a distance of up to 1,500 kilometers from the Su-57 and carry a range of weapons, the S-70 expands the combat capabilities of the Su-57 and provides a valuable asset for both offensive and defensive operations. Furthermore, the S-70's advanced sensors and avionics, combined with its stealthy design and autonomous flight capabilities, make it a formidable opponent in the skies. As countries continue to invest in modernizing their militaries, the integration of UCAVs like the S-70 Okhotnik-B with manned fighter jets like the Su-57 Felon will likely become more common, shaping the future of aerial combat.